Hey everyone, this is Momma from Blessing by Design. Today I'm going to show you how you can add recipes to our recipe and menu digital planner. Of course, you can always handwrite or copy and paste text from existing recipes, but today I want to show you how to add images that we give away on our store as recipe stickers. I'm using the GoodNotes 5 app on an iPad Pro. I frequently blog post about my favorite recipes that I've created. Blessing by Design also sends out a monthly newsletter that offers these free digital recipes and printables. If you're interested in freebies, you should check out the link below to our website so you can sign up to get our newsletter. My family has a new favorite recipe we call Lazy-Agna. I scoured Pinterest and combined several ideas that I found there to create this recipe. It tastes like a delicious lasagna, but it is so much faster and easier to put together than a traditional lasagna. I've created 2 sticker files for this recipe. The first one is the recipe, and then the second sticker page shows you step-by-step photos for layering this Lazy-Agna. Click the links to download these ping files. Click on the Download Now button and then press and hold the image to add it to your photo files on your device. Now that I've got both of the images saved to my device, I can return to my digital planner. I tap on this Extras tab at the top of the page. This is where I can find a plain blank page template. I tap on it and open it up. Now I go to the 3 dots in the upper right corner to copy the page. Next, I press the Main tab because that is where I want to store the recipe in my planner. Now I press the Add Page button and I paste the page, and I do it again so that I've pasted the 2 blank pages into my planner. There are a couple ways I can import the recipe sticker images. I'm going to use the Image tool. Once I tap on the Image tool, I'm given a window into my photo files. I locate the recipe sticker and select it, and it shows up on my page. Now I move it to the top left corner a bit so that I can drag the bottom right corner to resize it to my page size. I tap off of the image so that it will release to the page. Now I can swipe to the next page, which I had added, that's blank, and I will add the pic, which has the step-by-step layering images. I select the Image tool, and in this top bar I have little thumbnails of all my photo images. I can just select the image I want from there and drag it onto the page and resize it just like I did the first one. So now I've got my recipe and I want to label it in my outline so that I have an index by names of my recipes. I do this by selecting the blue waffle icon in the top left, which shows me thumbnails of all the pages in my planner. I find the recipe I want to label, and below it, next to its page number, there's a little down arrow that I can tap, and it shows me options to add page to outline, and I select that. Now I type the title Lazy-Agna for this recipe. I repeat the process again with the next page, which had the pictures, and I add it to the outline, and it gives me the option to label it Lazy-Agna Pics. Now when you're looking at the thumbnails, you can select outlines at the top of the page, and it will give you a list of all your recipes that you've added and labeled. You can see in here I've labeled our fresh salsa recipe that I can tap within the outline list to go directly to that recipe. Or I can tap on Mama's meatloaf and it will take me directly there. Or I can tap on Lazy-Agna and go back to it. So I'm just trying to show you how easy it is to keep all of your recipes in order and in one place. Best of all, my planner syncs to the cloud, and I always have all my recipes with me on my phone when I'm out shopping at the grocery store, which is a huge convenience. I really hope you liked this video and you'll give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and be sure to check out the links in the description below to all of our free digital planner recipe stickers. Be blessed and have a great day.